Hello YouTube, this is Samiboost with another video. I got something in the mail. Tom's front lip version 2 carbon fiber from Japan. So there's the box. I'm gonna make a video of unboxing it and see how everything is inside. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I brought it into my living room here. So I cut it open and y'all gonna see it for the first time when I'm seeing it. Here we go. Let's see here. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so ISF Japanese letters. That's pretty cool. Tom sticker over there. And that's what we're looking at. So guys, I'm gonna unwrap it and then get back with y'all, okay? Be back. Alright, so this is some of the instructions that come with it. It shows some 3M tape, some kind of primer or something, some screws, Tom's emblem, nice metal Tom's emblem. I'm probably going to use different hardware. I'm going to use a bolt with a washer and a nut on both sides, grab it. So I'm probably going to use that because I got the bumper off already. Looks like the way they're doing it is without removing the bumper. But I have the bumper off and I'm going to make sure this stays on there really nice and tight. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Now I'm going to take this off and show y'all that. Be right back. Wow guys, it looks beautiful. Where's it at? Oh, it's over here. That's the underside of it. So you can see all the design. How much it comes down this way. That's where you put all the screws or bolts. There's some down here. It's all pre-drilled. This is the end right here. So that's how she looks, guys. Beautiful work on the carbon fiber. I'm gonna have it ceramic coated before I install it, but show you how everything is. So the carbon fiber comes here, then it's just black right here. You can definitely see where they sprayed it clear coat, which is all over that. Man, that is a beautiful carbon wave. Obviously, that's where you put your Tom's emblem. That's how that looks. Well, guys, if y'all have any questions about how it looks, which I had a lot of questions about this. I haven't seen a video of this ever online, one actually shown. There's like a couple of cars that have it on there, only a few, but I didn't see a video, so hope this helps if anybody has questions. It's extremely light. I'm gonna weigh it, which I know exactly how much it weighs. We'll go from there, guys. But like I said, I'm not gonna install it right now. I'm gonna have it ceramic coated, and then I'll install it. I'll make a video of it. We'll install it on the ISF. Last video, last. this about it. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Like the video, like and subscribe. If you got any questions, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. And just wait for another video of me installing this on my ISF. Thank you. See ya.